Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. So now the code whatever I have run, it is without water. Okay, so here you can see without water only I am running. So it is displaying it as -1. Hope it is a little bit difficult to hold it over here. Okay, now here I have a glass of water. Don't think anything bad, it is water only. So when I dip this particular thing inside my water, it is able to read the value. So moisture level is constant at 63. So whenever we place this sensor in a soil, then it will be varied. So here I am showing only the water. Got it? Let me wipe it off, or else there might be some other problems. No, it is not in percentage, it comes under analog value varying from 0 to 123. It depends upon the module as well as our connection, whatever we use. So here I am using another I2C module. So for this I2C module, I am getting in this range of value. If you use another one ADC, which is known as MCP3008, for that you will be receiving the range from 0 to 1023. According to module, we have changed the value. We have to change the value. Yeah, definitely variation will be there. This is only the water. Why it is -1? -1 value without any of the detection within that particular moisture. That is the reason. If I am connecting this sensor into digital, it will be detecting it as 0 and 1. So to vary that particular values only, I have used this ADC over here as an analog input. And the -1 is nothing but without no data or no input over there. So when we just mix the soil as a wet soil or something, definitely the value get me varied over there, because the exact moisture we will be able to get only from the soil, not with the help of water. So to show some wet and dry state, I have used this. I hope everyone is clear with this particular soil sensor. Sorry, moisture sensor. So now let us try to implement this particular coding in Thinkspeak. So first let us know what is Thinkspeak cloud. So Thinkspeak is a IoT monitoring cloud which is provided by MathWorks. MathWorks, I hope everyone is known towards it. It is a MATLAB software. They provide MATLAB software. So Jishnu Radhakrishnan, this is my mail ID. Just I'm logging towards it. Okay, so this is my particular channels. Within this, we have to create each and every channels for each and every projects. So each and every channel contains of 8 fields. That 8 fields is nothing but we can connect 8 sensors in a particular channel. So this is just a free account for all kind of staff, students, those are doing any research over with IoT. But with the help of IoT, we will be able to do monitoring as well as at maximum with the help of paid Thinkspeak account, we can go with sending messages or sending emails through the Thinkspeak cloud. So that will be the maximum with Thinkspeak. So now here I am going to do the monitoring. So for this monitoring, let me search the channel. Yeah, okay, we can go with this channel itself. So for each and every channel, you will be having some sort of API key. With the help of that API key only, we will be able to communicate between device as well as the cloud. That API is known as the application interface key. So within that particular application interface key, here we have to choose right API key. Why we have to choose the right API key? In the sense, we have to go this particular copy this API key and we have to paste it in that particular Python account. Then the data, whatever it is read from the sensor, it will be directly written within the cloud. For writing within the cloud only, we have to use the write API key. If you want to read, we have to use this read API key. Most often everyone will be using only for write API key, and if you want to just download the data, we have to go with the data import or export option. So with the help of this import or export, we can get the data within the Excel sheet. So now I will go for write API key, copying this. Okay, code is in, yeah, it is over here. So this is the place where I have to paste my API key. Oh, sorry. That particular API key did not copy over there. Copied. And for a dummy value, now it will be varying from 0 to 100 with the interval of 20. That data will be uploaded towards the field 1. Okay. So I said that there are totally 8 fields over here. So here totally 2 fields has been enabled, and this is known as the field 1. Here we can see the variation within this chart. So now it will be starting to upload the data. Yeah, regarding image processing, we will be teaching tomorrow only. So now this many data has been sent. Each and every 15 seconds the data gets uploaded towards the Thinkspeak. So you can see directly it has come over towards 23rd of October. You can see the time, everything is displayed over there. Okay, so in this way only we will be able to monitor in Thinkspeak. If I merge both the moisture sensor code and this Thinkspeak code, therefore it will be able to read this and it will be uploading the data into the Thinkspeak. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.